Cybercrime is projected to cost the global economy more than $10 trillion annually. Artificial intelligence is accelerating cyber attacks by helping adversaries automate reconnaissance, vulnerability discovery, phishing campaigns, malware creation, and fraud at unprecedented scale. For business leaders, the challenge is no longer whether cyber threats are growing. The challenge is whether security strategies are evolving fast enough to keep up. And while most organizations focus on today's attacks, a much bigger risk is quietly emerging: quantum computing. Many executives assume the quantum threat begins when a powerful quantum computer arrives. That's not true. Adversaries are already collecting encrypted data today with the intention of decrypting it in the future. This strategy is called harvest now, decrypt later, or store now, decrypt later. If your organization stores customer records, financial data, healthcare information, intellectual property, government communications, or critical infrastructure data that must remain confidential for years, the threat has already begun. The risk starts when encrypted data is stolen, not when Q-Day arrives. Quantum safe migration is the structured process of moving from cryptographic systems that may become vulnerable to quantum attacks toward a future-ready, crypto-agile security architecture. This is not a rip-and-replace exercise. It is a business transformation journey that reduces future risk while maintaining operational continuity today. Identify cryptographic assets, keys, certificates, applications, and trust boundaries. You cannot protect what you cannot see. Evaluate data sensitivity, business impact, and harvest now, decrypt-later exposure. Not all data carries the same risk. Focus on business-critical systems, long-life data, customer trust, and regulatory obligations. Avoid trying to migrate everything at once. Run pilots and proof of concepts, validate performance, interoperability, scalability, and operational impact. Build a phased migration roadmap aligned to budgets, governance, compliance requirements, and business priorities. Deploy quantum-safe controls gradually, while maintaining business continuity and minimizing operational risk. Monitor cryptographic posture, emerging threats, evolving standards, and regulatory developments. Extend quantum-safe security across business units, cloud environments, partners, vendors, and supply chains. For CEOs, this is business resilience. For CISOs, this is cyber risk reduction. For CTOs, this is technology modernization. And for boards, this is governance. The most important question every leadership team should ask today is, do we know where our cryptography lives? Organizations that wait for a crisis will face greater operational disruption, higher remediation costs, and increased exposure to future quantum threats. The organizations that start now will migrate methodically, securely, and confidently. At Q New Labs, we help enterprises navigate the complete quantum-safe migration journey, from discovery and assessment to validation, implementation, and enterprise-wide scale. Because in the AI and quantum era, preparation is not optional. It is essential and non-negotiable.